Welcome back, everyone. So, I have two FL250 flywheels here. One of them I took apart and is in that little bin. There is Muriatic Acid, or called Muriatic Acid, in that little bin. And that is very good for removing rust from steel items. Now, I'm going to check on it, and I'm going to put on my respirator from our friends over at Benchmark Razors and my gloves from Fort West, because this is stuff you really don't want to get on your skin. So. Okay, I got my respirator on, and we're going to check on that now. I don't know if you guys see me right in there. We're going to go check on it. So. Here, just look at this flywheel now. That was completely rusted, and look at that. Brand new, basically. Now I'm going to take this one. This is the flywheel, the original one. I'm going to go ahead and drop it in there. So here's the before. Rusty, pretty rusty. As you can see, it's dissolving that rust pretty dang fast. And go ahead and look at this. You see that? Look at that. Brand new. Brand new looking part. That's N.R.T work right there. There. Very nice. And look at this gas cap. That gas cap was completely rusted. Look at that. Hopefully you guys can hear me. But I got another mic on the way, and this part's cleaning very good. I like what I'm seeing. It just gets all the crap off the parts, and then it's easy. I mean, there's a grounding issue on these, and when you clean the parts like this and make them all nice and shiny, that grounding issue goes away. I'm going to take a welding rod, and I'm going to start now. We need a flat platform to set these parts on. So we're going to turn over here, and we are going to clean up this spot where the 300 parts are. I'm going to start setting those parts over here. There's one flywheel. That little part. That gas cap works very good. So we're gonna go check on this part right here. Gonna go check on it. I believe these gloves. Print. Looky at that. Okay, I'm gonna go dump some of this out because we got too much in here and it's making a mess. Here's some of our cleaning wipes and just clean all that. Just set it on down in there. Just like that. And the rest is history. So please subscribe, like, comment, share this video, and this is N.R.T. and cleaning tips on how to clean your old rusty parts. Catch you on the next one.